Today we're going to take a look at the 3PL series, our range of three-phase appliance testers. Designed and made in Australia to make single and three-phase AS NZS 3760 testing quick and easy, the 3PL series has been designed for use with WinPats Pro, our portable appliance testing Android app. If you're looking for a portable appliance tester that can test both single and three-phase appliances right out of the box, you won't find a better solution than the 3PL series. Every portable appliance tester in the 3PL range can conduct single and three-phase appliance tests, including Class 1, earth bond at up to 25 amps and insulation at up to 1000 volts, Class 2, insulation at up to 1000 volts, extension leads and power boards, earth bond, insulation, polarity and continuity, earth leakage tests, and trip time and ramp current tests for testing both portable and fixed RCDs. They also include specific three-phase earth tests, three-phase extension lead tests, and three-phase earth leakage tests. Finally, they also include a meter mode for measuring current, voltage and power of an appliance, and a mains power supply test. Using the Android tablet, you control the tester directly from WinPats using Bluetooth. WinPats really is a game changer for PAT testing. You can run tests, save your results to a database with unique asset IDs, create reports, and more. To run a test, add a new item to your database and select the appropriate test. Set up your test leads, and start the test. Your TNP 3PL will send the results to your tablet, and there you can save the results to your WinPats Pro database and print a tag. The integrated thermal transfer printer prints clear, long-lasting test tags that include all the relevant information you might need, including who tested the appliance, when it's due for retesting, and most importantly, a barcode. This makes retesting really quick and easy. Just scan the barcode using your barcode scanner, and WinPats will find the item in your database. You can then review all your stored information about the item and retest it at the tap of a button. It really makes your test and tag work quick and easy, plus there are loads more features that help you run your entire appliance testing business. To learn more about WinPats, you can visit www.winpats.app. The 3PL series features an internal lithium-ion battery, allowing you to conduct Class 1, Class 2 and extension lead tests on battery power. You can test up to 3,000 items per charge, plus it recharges in only 7 hours. You can use the 3PL series on mains power for all tests, and you will need a three-phase power source for conducting most three-phase tests. There are 4 different portable appliance testers in the 3PL range. Starting at the most affordable, we have the TNP 3PL Lite. The TNP 3PL Lite is a really simple tester with your 20 amp single and three-phase test sockets, tablet, barcode scanner and thermal transfer tag printer. The printer prints clear, long-lasting test tags that include all the relevant information you might need. This means you won't need to handwrite your tags, and combined with WinPats, this makes high-volume testing much easier. The TNP 3PL Lite is contained in our heavy-duty transit case with IP67 dust and water ingress protection. It features a telescoping trolley handle and wheels to make moving around the job site easy. Plus, you also get a carry bag for all your single and three-phase test leads. The TNP 3PL Lite is a really good option for single and three-phase testing that won't break the bank. Next, we have the TNP 3PLM range, our premium class of three-phase appliance testers. The 3PLM series has 20 amp, 32 amp and 50 amp varieties, so you can pick the load current capacity version that suits your needs. The TNP 3PLM comes with the added bonus of 25 amp earth bond testing and 1000 volt insulation testing, plus all the same great features as the TNP 3PL Lite. For high volume, heavy duty, single and three-phase testing, our TNP 3PLM series portable appliance testers are the best money can buy. With a 3-year conditional warranty, a range of training tutorials and guides, and ongoing customer support from me and the rest of our sales and support team, the 3PL series has a solution for all single and three-phase appliance testing needs. To learn more about our range of portable appliance testers and software solutions, visit our website www.wavecom.com.au.